Good morning, dreamers. Had a little bit of a slow start this morning just because we had so much fun on our first day here on the Wonder of the Seas. So I was a little slow this morning getting ready, and all of a sudden it hit me, we are at CocoCay. So I ran over to the balcony, pulled open the blinds, and oh my gosh, it is going to be a beautiful day. The sun was rising and it was kind of like a pink sky. It is going to be a perfect day here at CocoCay.
Hi, good morning, guys.
Hi.
If you need towels, you can get them just here and
Thank
then
you.
straight down the escalator.
Thank you.
We are on our way to CocoCay. Hopefully we get on the balloon. We heard that it is up and running, but it is a little windy, so I don't know, we'll have to see. No kids on the end.
I am so excited. We get to go up in that balloon, up and away. We have tried so many times to get on this balloon. Every single time it's been too windy or rainy. Well, today it's a little windy, so we can't go all the way up, but we still get to fly. So super excited we finally get to ride on the balloon.
It is time for the water park here at CocoCay. We got passes to come to the water park, so let's go do some slides.
We are back on the ship after a perfect day at CocoCay. Could not believe I finally got to take the balloon tethered ride, which was amazing. And then we relaxed at the beach, had a lunch, and then of course hit the water park. I mean, it was like a great day, and the weather was perfect. It was, nice and warm, with a little breeze. It was perfect. So we are enjoying a sunset. It is like the sky is orange. It's beautiful. And then after the sunset, they're gonna have some fireworks, and then we've got dinner and a show. So tons more activities here on board the Wonder of the Seas. headed out. We're gonna probably go to Central Park, kind of wander around, maybe do some shopping, and then we're gonna end the night with an amazing show. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like Cirque du Soleil. There's like water and diving and just great music. It's outdoors at the water, at the Aqua Theater, which is outdoors under the stars. So just an amazing show here on board the ship. And it's cool, the Aqua Theater is actually on the very back of the ship, so you can kind of see the ocean behind you. So just a really, really cool location. So, Tim Jones, Dr. Jones, you ready?
I'm ready, let's go.
All right. What did you think of it? I mean, you had music and you had divers and you had dancing and it was crazy. And aerial arts. I mean, so many things going on. What did you guys think of the show? Hope you guys enjoyed our day at CocoCay and our last day on board the amazing wonder of the seas. We have one more day, so don't go anywhere. Make sure you click that subscribe button so you can join us on our last day as we arrive into Port Canaveral. All right, guys, we will see you next time. Keep on dreaming. Bye. Love you all.
Here. Okay, guys, you can let go, walk around freely, take as many pictures as you wish, ask as many questions as you please. If I don't know the answer, I'll make one up for you. I promise to give you close to the truth, okay?
Oh, so they gotta take tenders.
Yes.